What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install LEDs on a 2016 and up Tacoma. But the main reason for this video today is because I wanted to be showing you guys some new different LEDs. I haven't seen this type out yet and I thought they were really cool, so I wanted to show them with you guys. I do have a 60% off a discount code for you guys from now until March 31st. So if at the end of this video you guys really do like the output that these LEDs give out and the 4 modes, because yes, I said it, they do have 4 modes. If you do like them, I have a discount code. It will be in the description box below, and I will also pin a comment down below if you want to go ahead and pick up your own set. Like I said, it's 60% off. That's something that you don't normally hear. Let's go ahead and get into the video, and I'll go ahead and give you an unboxing, review, and just how to install. Just remember, these LEDs are for many other vehicles and not only Tacomas. Let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you how it's done. Sorry if you guys can hear some background noise, the background thumping. It's just because we're getting grass put in. But yeah, so this is the box here. It's called Boslla. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. Alright, so inside, of course, they give you like a little card. It says if you're happy or not, if you're satisfied. It gives you all their information where you can email them if you need some support. Of course, your product manual as always, because we know we're all here for these bad boys. Alright, so first look on them, I mean, they, like I keep stating it, they look a lot different. They don't look like your regular LED. The fan here is not covered or anything like that, but they do look awesome. One thing to note though, when you go to install them, it even says it on there so you can't get it confused. It's kind of hard to capture it on camera, but there's a little cover right here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it just to show you so we can do the install, but there is a cover and it does say remove glass, so that's what you got to do, of course. So all you do is you pop it up just like that and it comes on. Once you've done so, up next there's gonna be 4 gold females right there, as you could tell, and right at the top right here, kind of where my finger is, there's one without no gold. It's just a plastic hole. You're gonna notice on this side there is 4 gold males and there's going to be 1 black male right here. So that's what I was talking about, that you have to pay attention or else they won't insert together. So let's go ahead and insert them. Super easy. Just make sure you align it. Now that you're on this step here, you're going to notice, of course, you have 1 more wire that needs to be installed. So this is just going to go directly to your stock wire harness of your headlights. Of course, we're working with the low beams, so we'll be connecting this to the low beams. Almost every car, it's going to be the same concept. You may have different pins, but it's going to be almost the same concept. So like I said, this company does make it for other vehicles, so go ahead and check them out, see if your car applies. One thing to note as well, which we will show you in a minute once we install them into the truck, there's going to be a plus and a minus. You also want to make sure to pay attention to that. The reason why is because on the truck stock wire harness, it's not going to give you a plus or a minus, but 1 wire is red and 1 wire I believe is black with a different color. Like I said, I know you're not going to understand right now, but you'll see when we install them. Super simple, nothing too hard, anybody can install these. I'll go ahead and show you night clips as well, and I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to use the 4 functions, so that way when you install yours, you're not confused on how to you know, flip through the functions. Like I said, it has 4 functions. Sorry I keep repeating it, I just think it's really cool, something different. I have not seen any other LED company make this. I just thought it was cool, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the stock bulbs and we're going to go ahead and install the brand new Boslla. The first step is locating, of course, the bulb you're going to be removing. We're going to remove the one on the left, that's going to be your low beam. So first things first is you want to go ahead and turn it to the turn it counterclockwise. Once you've done so, it removes just like that. Nice and easy. So of course ours aren't the exact stock bulbs. We did change them out for some AutoZone ones, but we're now going to remove those and upgrade to Boslla. But of course, if you had your stock bulbs, it's going to be the same process. So now that we removed it, we're going to go ahead and get the new Boslla. Go ahead and plug it in from the Boslla to your actual stock harness.
On the connection, you guys, there's a positive and a negative sign on the Bosla's connector. If you look at your factory wire harness, you're gonna have a red wire and a black and white wire. The red is gonna be your positive, the white and black is gonna be your negative. Just want to make sure and line them up.
Once you've done so, Now you want to go ahead and grab your bulb and insert it inside, back where you took out your stock one. Of course, not every car is going to be the same, but it is going to be the same concept. So now you've inserted it, and now you turn it clockwise. Once you've done so, you just want to kind of give it a little tug and make sure that it's not going to fall off. We're good to go. So now you just want to go ahead and do the opposite side, same exact steps, and go ahead and test them out and enjoy. Now we're just going to go ahead and turn them on, make sure they work, and that's it. You're done. Enjoy life, enjoy your brightness, enjoy your 4 modes, and enjoy this. Alright, so that's just the DRLs. Let's go ahead and turn on the first function. So that's going to be your first function, the 6500K. Let's go ahead and do the second function. That's going to be your 4300K. Now the next function, that's going to be your 3K. The last function, it's of course going to give you the flashers. Of course, those are only for emergency only, but it's awesome to have. Alright, so I hope you guys thought these were really cool. In all honesty, I mean, I've never tried them out. This is, of course, our first time trying them out. It's different. So, I mean, if you guys want to stand out, go ahead and pick them up. Like I had told you guys, 60% off. Discount code for you guys from now until March 31st. So, if you do want to pick them up, they're there. But yeah, the company's Boslla. I mean, you saw it yourself. It's different. You got your 4 modes. You got your, of course, your regular 6K. You got your 4300K. You got your 3K, and you got your emergency flashers. So I think that's awesome. One thing me and Chris did notice though, if you guys did stay till the end, we think the best mode to have it on, just on regular driving in the streets, is on the 4300 mode. In all honesty, we thought it gave a wider beam. It's not, of course, as bright because it is a 4300, but we felt it gave it a wider beam. So just giving you guys a little pointers on that. Of course, the 6K is a lot brighter when you put it in that mode, but we thought the 4300 would probably be a happy medium on driving on the road. So we just thought it was cool. We thought we'd share it with you guys, and we got you guys a coupon code. So I hope you guys do enjoy that. And yeah, I mean, we enjoyed the install. I don't know about you guys. Leave it in the comment section below if you think these LEDs are awesome or not. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.